Come and see. You feel come and see. Cryptocurrency. Come and see. Defi bully. Nasa Binkabi. Subscribe to me. Me just bingo. In a crypto. Brand new money as I wake up. Hit the bell. Get alerted with the info. Like, comment, subscribe.
What's up, people? It's your boy Nasa Binkabi. I'm back with another one. This one didn't even launch yet, people. It didn't even launch yet. So this video, I'm gonna be talking to you guys about the fish farm. This is different. It's not like the average baked beans clone that's been flooding the market. I know it's minus season. This one is slightly different. Now, what separates this from the rest? We'll find that out right after you guys go to the YouTube channel. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. I can't stress it enough. Matter of fact, I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. You go here, you go to YouTube, you type Defi bully. Easy as that. Simple. I wanted my name to be easy so everybody can find it. And then you go here and you press the big red subscribe button. Wherever it's at. And it should be underneath this video. We're on that push to 1,000 subscribers. Let's make it happen. This Defi, hit that notification bell because all this is time sensitive. And I'm going to show y'all why it's time sensitive right now. This project I'm talking to you guys about, Fish Farm, launches in approximately 11 hours. 11 hours, probably shorter by the time you see this video. The key to these things is to hop in early. You know what I mean? You'll get more fish, I believe, or fishermen, if that's how they're going to do this one, rehire and sell fish. This is kind of cool. So I will have my link down below. Now, what differentiates this one from the other 8% daily miners out there? Now, this one, well, it does have a cool concept. I like the little bubbles going up in the air. It's a little bit different with the NFT style fisherman, you know? And it showed the contract balance. The layout is slightly different as well. But one of the biggest differences is the rewards. Now, the rehire or the rebake or the compound button, you will have a 65% chance to earn base rewards, okay? That should be your regular rewards. Now, you're going to have a 35% chance to earn 120% reward on your rewards. Is that crazy or what? You have a 100% chance to sell. I mean, that's no surprise. Nah, but the fact that you have a chance to earn 120% reward on your rewards, that's crazy to me. That's crazy. It's mind-boggling. And I'm slightly bullish on this. So when it's time to go down, I'll probably be here in the morning, early morning, to drop a quick little bag on it. But do your own research. And this is what I'm here for. Okay? Now, this has been audited, I believe, by Hayes Audit. Let me double check. Yep. By Hayes Crypto. It has been audited, so I feel a little bit more confident jumping into this just because of the audit. And you can also check the contract out right from the page. It's not even out yet. This is on Avalanche Smart Chain, so make sure you have Avalanche connected to your MetaMask wallet. I don't want you guys to miss out on these opportunities because money to be made in DeFi. Hit that notification bell. There's money to be made in DeFi. Like this button. There's money to be made in DeFi. We're going to be rich soon. Okay? I don't want to be the only rich person. So, my father said that to me one time. If you're watching this video, shout out to you, Pops. You know the vibes. But I'm very bullish on this. All these miners been kind of getting to my head. I know it's getting to a lot of YouTube. Like, oh my God, another one. So it's always good to see something slightly more refreshing. Now, another reason why I feel like this is going to be big. Yesterday, I joined the Telegram group. Okay? It was like 60 members when I joined. Not even a full day. 327 members. It's gonna blow up by tomorrow. I guarantee this might hit like 500 and probably 1,000 depending after my video go up. I ain't that popular, but yeah, I'm actually get this video into this group. So shout out to everybody that's involved in this. Let me go through a couple of their pins, see if there's anything important. Hold up. Oh man, they had a pre-launch. This is the first time working with it. Oops, I don't know what just happened. This is my first time working with Dev, but he and his project seems Safu. Introduce Fish Farm, a sustainable passive income program. Introducing avax fish farm, a sustainable passive income program on Avalanche Chain, launching April 15th. Let's go. Audited. Yes, let's go. Telegram. Let's go. You guys are going to press that link down below. It'll be a link. You can go to the Telegram group from there if you guys want to. Make sure you join on my Telegram group. That's Bullpen Millionaires. It's right here. I will have the link down below for this as well. Okay. If you guys know any good projects that's willing to, that you think I should jump into, or you guys want to see me like go deep dive into, you want me to use your referral link, whatever the case may be, put it in the group and I'll check it out. And I definitely, if I like it, I'll definitely invest into it. That's how I am. But that's why I need you guys to support this channel, like this video, because all of this stuff costs money for me to do this. And I'm not monetized. I know y'all see it. I don't hide my subscribe account like some people. Okay, and there's no offense, because what I found out is actually good, the idea, subscribe account. So I might even hide mine. Y'all might not even see my subscribe account no more. But we're on that push to 1,000 subscribers. Plus, I need to get my watch hours up because we're trying to get monetized. So let's get it. So, fish farm. If you guys thinking about going in it, just hit a comment down below. Now, I mean, make sure y'all check out me on Telegram. Write me. I write back. I like talking to people. I like communicating with the people that's new to the space. I like communicating with people that's experienced in the space. This made us 8% a day. This made us money, like, and hopefully this do as well as baked beans. Okay? All right. I'm going to keep this one nice, short, and sweet. And remember, people, this is not financial advice.
I get paid to entertain. And all of this is entertainment.